What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Your iPhone is stuck on the restore screen and won't boot properly. So this video is for you. We will show you how to fix an iPhone that is stuck on the restore screen in 3 ways. The first method is to force restart your iPhone to get out of the restore screen. To do this, you need to press and hold the correct buttons according to your device model. For iPhone 6s and earlier, press and hold the home and power buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 7, press and hold the volume down and power buttons at the same time. Keep holding them until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 8 and later, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button, then, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. The second method is to use iSumsoft iOS Refixer, a specialized iOS system repair tool. First, open the browser on your computer and go to the iSumsoft website. Navigate to the iSumsoft iOS Refixer software. Download the software. And then install it on your computer. Also, make sure iTunes is installed on your computer, but you don't have to use iTunes. Launch iSumsoft iOS Refixer on your computer. Choose the standard mode. Click Start to confirm that you want to use this option to repair your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is connected to your computer via USB cable. Then, click Next on the software page. The software will automatically detect your iPhone. Click Download to download the latest firmware required to repair your iPhone. Wait a few minutes until the download is complete. Finally, click Repair. The software will start repairing your iPhone to get it out of the restore screen. Your iPhone is now successfully out of restore mode and turned on normally. Now you can continue using your iPhone without any issues. The third method is to fix your iPhone with iTunes. Connect your iPhone to your computer. Launch iTunes on your computer. iTunes will automatically detect your iPhone stuck on the restore screen. Choose the restore option. Choose Restore and Update. Click Next. iTunes will then automatically restore your iPhone to factory settings. Just wait for the process to complete. The restore was successful. Your iPhone is out of restore mode. That's all this video is about. Thanks for watching.